Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. On this video we want to learn how to make use of the sum function. So we're going to learn how to use the sum formula on this particular video. Let's get right away. I'll prepare a little set of data, then I will now calculate the sum of those data using the sum function. Alright, let me get the data ready, then we continue in a minute. God bless you. Alright, now I've been able to set up my table. If you don't have this table, you can just pause it right now, pause what you're doing right now, pause the video, go ahead, prepare your table, and then you get back here as we keep going on this. So to get the sum is quite simple. I want to get the sum both horizontal and vertically. So you see the vertical ones is to get how much was sold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Why horizontally will tell us how many of these items were sold in Uyo, Lagos, Enugu, and so on. So I will get this done immediately right now. So how will I do this? I'll come over here. Let me get it done vertically first. I come here and I type equal to sum. Then I open bracket. I look at or I just select the range from this. I drag down here. Then I close the bracket and I press enter. That is done. I'll do that right away for you to understand. So I take this again. What I do is I click here, I click right here, I click inside the box, then I will type equal to sum. I open bracket, then I select the whole of this and I close it and press OK. What if I don't want to select? I can as well try it by saying equal to sum. Then I open bracket, I type the address of the first one, which is B2, and then I put semicolon in between and type the address of the last one, which is B5. Then I close the bracket and press enter. That gives me the answer. I can do the same thing here and the same thing here and so on. The next method I can use to get the sum is by just clicking here and click on this button that says auto sum. By clicking on the auto sum button, it forms the formula for me. So I just press enter on my keyboard and I will have the answer. So to get it to cover the rest, I will use a feature called autofill. So I click on the first answer. I come to this small this small box here at the angle. When you are there, your cell pointer will turn to a tick plus sign, as we are seeing now, not like a normal cell pointer, but a tick plus sign. So I click here and I drag to my right until I get to Saturday. I leave it. Now it has given me all the formulas automatically done, and then I got the answers for each day. So I will go ahead to get the sum for this side. Same method. I can click auto sum and press enter, or I decide to use the first one where I will say equal to sum and then equal to sum. I open bracket, then I'll select here and drag to the end and close the bracket. I press enter, I have my answer. So I can just click on the answer, use the fill handle, that is the autofill, and drag it down here to get the answer. So this is how we calculate total, which is the sum of digits. So I've been able to, I believe now you understand how to calculate the sum in Excel. Let's move on to the next formula in the next video. God bless you. I'm Tutu Frank. See you in the next video.